Hey everybody, today is our work day. Now, in order for you to be doing your work day, you should be catching up on everything from Monday and Tuesday since Cami was down. If you've already done that and you were on this video, then you are going to get some review practice with me, okay? Now, I know that our lessons have been kind of tricky the last few days, and I really want you guys to kind of understand it a little better. So I'm going to take a few minutes and I'm going to make this little video and we're going to really break down what we're doing, okay? So I chose 3 problems from Monday's assignment and 3 problems from Tuesday's math assignment, and we're going to break them down and look at them again, okay? So I have on another computer the first one. So from the first lesson we did this week, Monday, we did lesson 12. They were word problems, okay? So let's look at those and really break it down and try to figure out what we're doing, okay? So I'm going to read the problem to you and then we're going to work it out on our board together, okay? All right, 12 frogs are in the pond. Now I'm going to write that down because that's kind of important, 12 frogs. So we know that there are 12 frogs in the pond. And I'm going to kind of zoom in so you guys can see a little better. All right, 10 are on a lily pad. Now here's what I'm going to do. I know that there are 10 on the lily pad. So I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I'm going to put LP for lily pad. Then I know there are 10 on the lily pad, okay? 2 are in the water. 1, 2, they're in the water. Okay, I'm gonna put my 2 right here. Now here's what I did. I've got 12 frogs. 12 is my total. 10 of those frogs are in the lily pad. 2 of those frogs are in the water. I know that 2 or 10 and 2 more make 12. All I did was break it down, okay? I had 12 frogs, 10 are in the water. I'm going to frame it. Or 10 are on the lily pad, 2 are on the water, okay? Now, 9 frogs hop off the lily pad. Okay, if they're hopping off the lily pad, I'm going to find the one that says lily pad, LP for lily pad, and I'm going to mark off 9 of them because they jumped off the lily pad. So I'm going to say here's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many are left on the lily pad? 1. I'm going to circle that one. How many are left in the water? 2. Oops. I'm going to circle my 2. Okay, that tells me how many are left. So let's read the rest. It says 9 frogs hop off the lily pad and out of the pond. So they're not even in the water anymore. So they're completely gone. So I'm off, okay? How many frogs are in the pond? So we've got 1 on the lily pad and 2 in the water. I've got 3 left in the pond. Now, I'm not going to stop there because here's what I'm going to do. I broke it down to try to figure it out, but let's break our problem down even further. We have 12 frogs in the pond. 9 of those frogs jumped off the lily pad. Here's my 12. Here's the 9 I took away. 12 frogs, 9 jumped off. How many are left in the lily pad? 1, 2, 3. 3 are left. Okay, we can do this. Let's try another one. I'm going to the wrong thing. All right, let's try this one. It's just like being a number detective. We're breaking it down, finding clues, okay? Let's read the whole problem this time, and then we'll go back and look for our clues. 10 eggs are in the carton, and 5 eggs are in a bowl. Joe's father cooks 9 eggs from the carton. How many eggs are left? Okay, now I'm going to make a number bomb. I made it sideways because I'm going to draw out my parts. Okay, so let's look back at our clues. 10 eggs are in a carton. 10 is a part. I'm going to draw 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I know that's 10, so I'm going to frame it. And these are the ones in the carton. 5 eggs are in a bowl. 5 is my other part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And they are in a bowl. Now, do I know what 10 and 5 make? I do. I can add those together and say 10 and 5 more make 15. Now, let's keep going because we're not done yet. Joe's father cooks 9 eggs from the carton. Okay, now I've got to find the carton. B for bowl, C for carton. He cooks 9 of those eggs. So if he cooks them, that means they're gone. We don't have them in the carton anymore. So we've got to mark them out. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, they're gone. So it's basically saying 10 eggs in the carton minus the 9 he cooks equals 1 left over. Now, I need to know how many eggs are left. I'm not done yet because I still have 1 in the carton and 5 in the bowl. How many do I have? I have 6. So how many eggs are left? I have 6 eggs left. Okay, so basically I said I have 15 eggs. I cooked 9 of them, and now I have 6 eggs left. Ta-da! Okay, we're just breaking it down, looking all at their steps. Let's do one more like this before we move on to the next part. All right, let me scroll down a little more. All right, ooh, I like this one. Listen carefully. There are 10 cupcakes on a tray and 8 on the table. On the tray, there are 9 vanilla cupcakes. The rest of the cupcakes are chocolate. How many cupcakes are chocolate? Okay, so this one's a little bit different. So let's first figure out what we need to do. I'm going to make my number bond again. I'm going to do it sideways just like I did the last one. Okay, now I want you to do this one with me. And when you're done, I want you to email me how many chocolate cupcakes there are, okay? Okay, you can do this. Email Miss Ray how many chocolate cupcakes, and that will be your assignment for today. You can tell me how many chocolate cupcakes there are. All right, let's go back and look. There are 10 cupcakes on a tray. Oh, we're gonna label this one T for tray. There are 10 of them. So let's draw out our 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 on the tray. 8 on the table. Ooh, tray and table have the same letter sound at the beginning. So I'm going to put a TB for table. TB, table. And how many did I have? I had 8. So I need to draw 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. TB for table. Now, I know that 10 and 8 more make 18. Okay, now 9 are on the tray. There are 9 vanilla cupcakes. So I'm going to go to the tray. And am I taking 9 away? Or like, are they disappearing? Did I eat them or take them away? I didn't. But I can still mark out the ones that are vanilla. So we're going to say on the tray, 9 are vanilla, and we're going to show that by marking those out. So the ones mark out are vanilla. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 of those are vanilla. So out of the 10 cupcakes on the tray, 9 are vanilla. How many on the tray are chocolate? Just the 1. Okay, I'm done though. because we still have some on the table. So we need to take the ones on the table, 8 on the table, plus the 1 on the tray equals how many chocolate cupcakes? 8 plus 9, or plus 1 is 9. So I can say 18 cupcakes altogether. 9 of those cupcakes are vanilla. That means 9, because we had 9 left over, are chocolate. Okay, now remember, you're going to either make a comment on this assignment or you're going to email me and tell me how many are chocolate. That's going to give you that check mark for today to let me know that you completed this, okay? So don't stop yet because we still have 3 more problems we're going to work on together. This one I want you to email me. Tell me how many chocolate cupcakes there are, okay? I'm going to put it in the directions too so you don't forget. All right, so let's go to the next thing. Let me pull it up real quick. All right. Now, these are not going to be word problems. We just saw these as word problems, but now we're not going to look at them as word problems, okay? We're going to look at them as math sentences. Now, here's my first math sentence. I have 16 minus 9 equals something. Now, this looks very similar to our problems, right? We are going to make our 16 into a number line. Okay, and we're going to do it step by step because we're going to use 5 group rows to draw it out. I'm going to cross out 9. So let's do this step by step. Step 1, we're going to make a number bond. Okay, this is my whole. And let's break down 16. I can break 16 into 10 and 6. So I've got 10 and 6. That's step 1. I'm breaking it down. I have 10 and 6. 10 and 6. All right, here we go. Step 2, draw it out. We're going to draw our 10 and our 6 in 5 group rows. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Remember to leave a space between your 5s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I am going to take a picture of that 10 and frame it. That tells me I have 10 in that group. Okay, now we're not done yet because now we have a step 3. Step 3, we're going to take away 9. But now my question is, where am I going to take 9 away from? Am I going to take it away from my 6 or am I going to take it away from my 10? I'm going to take it away from my 10. So 10 minus 9 equals. Now, I can solve this in my head, or I can go up here to my 10 and mark out 9. How many do I have left in my 10? 1. We're not done. Now we're going to go to step 4. Are you ready? Step 4. I have to add all the ones left that I didn't mark out. I know that I had 1 left in my 10, but I also have 6 that I didn't mark out down here. So I'm going to add those together. 1 plus 6 equals 7. Am I done? I haven't answered 16 minus 9. So that's going to be step 5. 16 minus 9. Now, guys, I'm going to go ahead and tell you this right now. Whatever you had left over that you add together is going to be your answer. Because right here, I drew 16 and I crossed out 9. And it gave me 7 left over. So 16 minus 9 equals 7. However many you have left over in step 4, See, you had 7, is the same as what is the answer for your big sentence, your one we started with, okay? So let's try one more, or let's try 2 more. And I might have you email me one of those too. So who knows? All right, let's go. We got this. We got steps 1 through 5. We can do this. Here's our new problem. 12 minus 9. Step 1. Make that into a number bond. Let's break it up. 12 is my whole. Now my 2 parts are going to be 10 and 2. 10 and 2. Okay, that's step 1. Break it apart. Step 2. Draw it out. I'm going to draw out 10 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I like that 10 so much, I'm going to take a picture of it and frame it. Now, I haven't drawn all of them because I have 10. Now I got to draw my 2. 1, 2. 10 and 2. 10 and 2 make 12. That's where I'm getting my 10 and 2. 10 and 2 make 12. 10 and 2 make 12. Step 3. I got to take 9 away. What am I taking it away from? My 10 or my 2? Taking it from my 10. So I'm going to say 10 minus my 9. This is where I'm getting my subtract 9. And I can either solve it in my head or I can mark it out. So I'm going to mark it out. How many do I have left? Just the 1. Here's my 1 right there. Okay. Step 4. Add up what you have left over. I have 1 left over in my 10. I have 2 left over here. 1 plus 2 equals. I'm not done. I got step 5. Step 5 is answering 12 minus 9. Remember, this 12, I took 9 away. I have 3 left over. Whatever your answer to number 4 is going to be your answer to step 5. Okay. Last one we're going to review. Now, I want you to email me this one too. You're going to email me the answer to this one. Okay. Your problem is 19 minus 9 equals. Let's go break it down. Step 1. Step 1 is make a number bond. We're going to break 19 apart into 10 and 9. Step 2, draw it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's my 10. I'm going to draw 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here's my 9. I'm going to take a picture of that 10 and frame it. 10, 10, 9, 9. They make 19. Step 3. We're going to subtract. Minus 9. Where am I taking the 9 from? Am I going to take it from the 9 or the 10? Ooh, guys, this one's a little, it's kind of sus. But you've heard that. It's kind of suspect. I'm still going to take it from my 10. Could I take it from my 9? I could, but I'm going to take it from my 10. 10 minus 9 equals, here's my 10, took 9 away. How many did I have left over here? 1. 10 minus the 9 I marked out equals the 1 I have left over. Okay, step 4, add up what we have left. I have 1 in my frame plus 9 right here. What is 9 plus 1? 10. So step 5, remember whatever the answer is on step 4 is going to be your answer for step 5. So 19 minus 9 equals 10. Oh, kind of sus there. A little tricky. Okay, so once you have done this with me, you're going to email me or comment in this lesson the answer of how many chocolate cupcakes there are and what was 19 minus 9. Okay, what was 19 minus 9 and what was how many chocolate cupcakes? Okay, once you do that, that will be your work for today. We're just reviewing today. I kind of wanted to do a little more, but that's okay. I want you guys to make sure you're caught up from Monday and Tuesday since Cammie's been a little wonky. So either email me or comment how many chocolate cupcakes and what's 19 minus 9. Okay, and then you're done with me. I'll see you guys with our next lesson. I promise we'll have another lesson tomorrow. Okay, bye guys.